In this video, we'll show you how to properly load a dishwasher for maximum efficiency and sparkling clean dishes. Loading it correctly saves time, prevents damage, and ensures every item comes out spotless. Let's dive into the steps to master dishwasher loading. Start by scraping off excess food from plates and bowls. Pre-rinsing isn't necessary with modern dishwashers, but make sure large chunks are removed to prevent clogging the filter. Proper preparation sets the stage for a successful wash. The bottom rack is ideal for heavy items like plates, bowls, and pots. Place plates and bowls facing the center at an angle for optimal water flow. Larger items like pots and pans should go upside down to allow water to reach inside. Ensure taller items don't block the spray arms. The top rack is designed for lighter items such as glasses, mugs, and small bowls. Position glasses and cups upside down to prevent pooling water. Arrange smaller bowls at an angle for thorough cleaning. Avoid overcrowding to maintain good water circulation. Place forks, knives, and spoons in the utensil basket. Alternate their placement to prevent nesting and allow water to reach all surfaces. For safety, always position knife blades facing down. If your dishwasher has specialized slots, use them for better organization. Don't overload the dishwasher, as this can block water and leave dishes dirty. Allow space between items to ensure water and detergent can reach every surface. If you have too many dishes, run a second load instead of cramming everything in. Add the correct amount of detergent to the dispenser, using pods, powder, or liquid as recommended. Never use regular dish soap. It creates excessive suds that can damage your machine. Select a cycle based on the items and level of soiling. Use a normal or eco-friendly cycle for everyday loads, and opt for heavy-duty or pots and pans cycles for tougher messes. Activate the drying setting if available for better results. Ensure the spray arms can rotate freely before closing the door. Start the cycle and let the dishwasher do its job. If unusual noises occur, pause the machine and check for items obstructing the spray arms. Once the cycle finishes, let the dishes cool slightly before unloading. Start with the bottom rack to avoid drips from the top. Check for any missed spots, and re-wash items as needed. Loading a dishwasher correctly ensures sparkling clean dishes while saving time and protecting your machine. Follow these simple steps to get the best results every time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen tips and cleaning guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.